All right, so this is a little video to help with today's homework, which is page 85, or worksheet 85, and worksheet 222. We did this whole sheet in class today, so if you missed it, you basically missed every answer we went over. We're just writing equations here. So we're going to say y equals, and then if we see here, we're just going up by 1, right? So we're going up by 1, and this is going up every time by 3.5. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7, plus 3.5 is 10.5. So all it is 3.5 times x, right? 3.5 times x is 3.5. 3.5 times x, which is 2 right here, is 7. 3.5 times 3 is 10.5. So that's how we got this answer. I'm just going to go through real quick. It's going to tell you what the answers are. So this one is y equals 3x, because 3, the same idea here. This is going up by 3's, right? 9 plus 3 is 12, plus 3 is 10, 15, plus 3 is 18. And each number is only going up once. So y equals 3x. Our answer on this is G I'm a tree. That's our answer. If you want to go through and learn how to do this, we kind of just went over the answers and how to do this. This isn't really going to be a big part of our upcoming quiz, so I'm not going to spend too much time on it. Now this one, let me see if I can rotate this. Okay, so this one is something that we've done in the past. So we have x is less than 1, and then we have all these things here, right? So what we're going to do is, here we go. What we're going to do is, I wonder if I can write in a different font so it's easier to see. Whatever. We're going to have x, and then we're going to have what number our dot is on, right? We have an open dot here on -2. So I'm going to put -2 here. And then what we have to draw is a symbol to say whether it's greater than or less than, right? So this one is going left. So if this is x right here, and it's going to the left, that means x is less than -2. There we go. Now where'd my -2 go? Disappeared. So x is less than -2. And this is open circle, so I don't have less than or equal to. It's going to be less than. And that's it. So I have to go over here and find where that is. X is less than -2, which is this one. And then I'll put an H here, because that's the letter. Then I have to go down here. Let me see if I can get down there. I can't scroll down on my document. It's weird. One sec. All right. So I'm going to go down here, find all the 6's, and add an H to my 6's. So that one's going to be 6, or this one's going to be an H. This one will be an H. All my 6's. So it looks like it's just those 3. All right, and that's what we're doing. Now let's try this next one. We're going to put x and whatever number is on our dot, right? So this dot's right here. So this is going to be x's, and it's going to the right. So x is greater than or equal to, which I actually don't know how to write on a keyboard. Doesn't look very good, but greater than or equal to 1. And that's how we get this one. So x is greater than or equal to 1, which is right here, number 4. So I'm going to put my y right here. I'm going to find all my 4's down here and add y. So 4 here and 4 here. Oops. And there you go. That's what we're doing. We had a lot of class time to do this, so hopefully you guys can get this done.